Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a diary on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the today button down below, and which is the first option, and after that scroll down till you find this write diary section. Click on the button write, and as you can see there's a box and you can indicate the date. Now the default option is always today's date, but if you want to, for example, add the note to yesterday, or you want to write something ahead, you can also tap on a day next day, so you can tap on tomorrow. So you should type in something that is going to be your diary, and after indicating the note and writing your diary itself, tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen in order to save your changes. So if you tap on this section again, you will be able to see your last entry, and you can go back in time if you want to read your previous diary entries as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.